Minitab Online Training. Introduction to Minitab, a comprehensive overview. Minitab is a powerful statistical software tool widely used for data analysis and quality improvement. It is particularly popular in fields such as Six Sigma, quality management, and research for its user-friendly interface and robust statistical capabilities. Here's a comprehensive overview of Minitab. 1. Key features. Data analysis. Minitab provides a broad range of statistical tools, including descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and ANOVA, analysis of variance. Quality tools. It includes specialized tools for quality improvement, such as control charts, process capability analysis, and design of experiments, DO. Graphical capabilities. Minitab excels in creating high-quality, customizable graphs and charts, such as histograms, scatter plots, box plots, and Pareto charts. Data manipulation. The software allows users to clean, filter, and manipulate data easily. It supports various data formats and has functions for data transformation and summary. Automation. Minitab's command language and macros facilitate automation of repetitive tasks and complex analysis. Two main components. Session window displays the results of commands and analysis, including statistical outputs and graphs. Worksheet, the primary data view where users input and edit data. Minitab's worksheets are similar to spreadsheets but with added statistical functionalities. Graph window shows the visual representations of data, which can be customized and edited to suit specific needs. Command line. For advanced users, Minitab provides a command line interface to execute commands and scripts. 3. Common applications. Quality improvement. Used extensively in Six Sigma and other quality improvement methodologies for analyzing process data, identifying areas for improvement, and validating improvements. Statistical analysis. Applied in various fields for hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and time series analysis. Education and research. Minitab is often used in academic settings for teaching statistics and conducting research due to its intuitive interface and comprehensive statistical capabilities. 4. Benefits. Ease of use. Its user-friendly interface and guided analysis make it accessible for users with varying levels of statistical expertise. Comprehensive toolset. Minitab offers a wide range of statistical tools and graphical options that cater to different analytical needs. Support and resources. Minitab provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and customer support to help users get the most out of the software. 5. Getting started. Installation. Minitab can be installed on both Windows and macOS platforms. Licensing options vary from single-user to enterprise-wide licenses. Learning resources. Minitab offers a variety of learning resources, including online tutorials, webinars, and a knowledge base. Community and support. Minitab has an active user community and provides technical support to assist with any issues or questions. Data import and management in Minitab. In Minitab, data import and management involve several key steps to ensure that your data is correctly formatted and ready for analysis. Here's an overview of the process. 1. Importing data. A. File formats. Minitab can import data from various file formats, including Excel, .xls, .xlsx, CSV, .csv, and text files, .txt. You can also import data from databases and other statistical software. B. Importing data steps. Open Minitab and select File, Open or File, Import Data to start the import process. Select the file you want to import. Choose the appropriate file type from the file browser. Adjust import settings. For Excel files, you may need to specify the sheet and range of data. For CSV or text files, you might need to adjust delimiter settings and specify if the first row contains headers. Preview the data. Minitab often provides a preview of how the data will appear in Minitab's worksheet. Review it to ensure correct import. Click OK to complete the import. 2. Managing data. A. Data cleaning. Handling missing data. You can use tools in Minitab to find and handle missing values, such as replacing them with mean-median values or using interpolation. Data transformation. Use calculator or data transform to create new variables or modify existing ones based on your needs. B. Data organization. Sorting data. You can sort data in ascending or descending order via data sort. Filtering data. Use data subset worksheet to create a subset of your data based on specific criteria. C. Data verification. Descriptive statistics. Use basic statistics to generate descriptive statistics like mean, median, and standard deviation to verify data integrity. Graphs and charts. Visualize your data using histograms, scatter plots, and box plots to identify any anomalies or patterns. D. Data export. Once you've managed and analyzed your data, you can export it to various formats using File, Save Worksheet as. You can save it in Minitab's own format or other common formats like CSV or Excel for further use. 3. Automation and advanced features. A. Minitab macros. Minitab allows you to create and use macros to automate repetitive tasks in data management and analysis. B. Data management tools. Data preparation tools. Minitab provides various tools for data preparation, including data utilities for data manipulation tasks. Database integration. For more advanced data management, you can connect Minitab to databases using ODBC or other connectors. Statistical analysis with Minitab. Key techniques. Minitab is a powerful statistical software that offers a range of techniques for data analysis. Here are some key techniques you can use with Minitab. Descriptive statistics. Summarize and describe the main features of a dataset using measures like mean, median, mode, variance, standard deviation, and range. Hypothesis testing. T-tests. Compare means between two groups, independent or paired samples. ANOVA. Analysis of variance. Compare means among three or more groups to determine if at least one group mean is significantly different from the others. Chi-square tests. Test for associations between categorical variables. Regression analysis. Simple linear regression. Analyze the relationship between two continuous variables. Multiple regression. Explore the relationship between one continuous dependent variable and multiple independent variables. Logistic regression. Model the relationship between a categorical dependent variable and one or more independent variables. Design of experiments. Do. Factorial designs. Study the effect of multiple factors simultaneously. Response surface methodology. RSM optimize processes by analyzing the relationship between several factors and one or more responses. Control charts. X bar and R charts monitor the mean and variability of a process over time. P charts and NP charts track the proportion of defectives in a process. Capability analysis. Assess how well a process meets specified standards or requirements using capability indices such as CP, CPK, PP, and PPK. Time series analysis. Trend analysis. Identify patterns or trends in time-ordered data. Seasonal decomposition. Analyze and model seasonal effects in time series data. Cluster analysis. Group similar observations into clusters based on their characteristics without predefined labels. Principal component analysis. PCA reduce the dimensionality of the dataset while retaining most of the variability. Survival analysis. Analyze the time until an event of interest occurs, often used in reliability and live data analysis. Exploratory data analysis (EDA) using Minitab. Exploratory data analysis (EDA) is a crucial step in data analysis, helping you understand the main characteristics of a dataset before diving into more complex statistical analysis. Minitab, a popular statistical software, offers a variety of tools to facilitate EDA. Here's how you can use Minitab for EDA. 1. Data visualization. Histograms. Create histograms to visualize the distribution of a single variable. This helps in understanding the shape of the data and detecting any skewness or outliers. Go to Graph, Histogram and select the variable you want to analyze. Box plots. Use box plots to visualize the spread and detect outliers in the data. Go to Graph, Box plot and choose the variable. Scatter plots. Create scatter plots to examine the relationship between two variables. Go to Graph, Scatter plot and select the variables. Pareto charts, ideal for identifying the most important factors in a dataset. Go to Graph, Pareto chart and select the variable. 2. Descriptive statistics. Summary statistics. Get a summary of key statistical measures such as mean, median, standard deviation, and range. Go to Stat, Basic Statistics, display descriptive statistics, and choose your variables. 5. Number summary provides a quick overview of the data distribution, minimum, Q1 median, Q3 maximum. Go to Stat, Basic Statistics, 5 Number Summary. 3. Exploring relationships. Correlation analysis. Determine the strength and direction of the relationship between pairs of variables. Go to Stat, Correlation, Pairwise correlation. Regression analysis. Use regression to understand the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. Go to Stat, Regression, Regression. 4. Distribution fitting. Normality test. Check if your data follows a normal distribution. Go to Stat, Basic Statistics, Normality Test. Probability plots assess how well your data fits a specific distribution. Go to Graph, Probability Plot and select the distribution to fit. 5. Outlier detection. Residual plots analyze residual plots to detect outliers and influential points in regression analysis. After fitting a regression model, you can generate residual plots from the regression results. Box plot outliers. Box plots can help identify outliers based on the interquartile range (IQR). 6. Data transformation. Transform variables. Sometimes, data transformations, example logarithmic, are needed to meet the assumptions of statistical tests or to normalize the data. Go to Calculator to create transformed variables. 7. Data summarization. Data summary. Summarize your data in tables for quick reference and reporting. Go to Stat, Basic Statistics, display descriptive statistics to create summaries. Regression analysis and modeling in Minitab. Minitab is a powerful statistical software tool widely used for regression analysis and modeling. Here's a general overview of how to perform regression analysis and modeling using Minitab. 1. Data preparation. Import data. Load your dataset into Minitab by importing from various formats like Excel, CSV, or directly from a database. Check data. Ensure that your data is clean, missing values are handled, and variables are correctly formatted. 2. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. Descriptive statistics. Use Minitab's Stat, Basic Statistics menu to obtain mean, median, standard deviation, etc. Graphs. Create scatter plots, histograms, and box plots to visualize data relationships and distributions. 3. Performing regression analysis. Simple linear regression. Navigate to Stat, Regression, Fitted Line Plot. Choose your response variable and predictor variable. Minitab will provide a regression equation, R-squared value, and residual plots. Multiple linear regression. Go to Stat, Regression, Regression. Enter your response variable and multiple predictor variables. Analyze the output, which includes coefficients, p-values, R-squared, and diagnostic plots. 4. Model diagnostics. Residual analysis. Check residual plots for patterns. Ideally, residuals should be randomly scattered around 0. Normality of residuals. Use Stat, Regression, Regression plots to check for normality and other assumptions. Multicollinearity. Assess using variance inflation factors, VIF, available under Stat, Regression, Regression, Regression coefficients. 5. Model refinement. Interaction terms. For multiple regression, you may include interaction terms to explore how predictor variables interact with each other. Model selection. Use techniques like stepwise regression, which can be found under Stat, Regression, Stepwise regression, to refine your model by adding or removing predictors. 6. Predictive analysis. Predictions. Use the fitted model to make predictions on new data. Go to Stat, Regression, Regression, Predict. Confidence and prediction intervals. Minitab provides options to calculate confidence and prediction intervals for your predictions. 7. Reporting results. Summary: Minitab offers a comprehensive output including coefficient tables, goodness of fit statistics, and diagnostic plots. Graphs and tables: customize graphs and tables to include in your reports. 8. Advanced techniques. Nonlinear regression: if your data doesn't fit a linear model, you can explore nonlinear regression models via stat regression, nonlinear regression. Logistic regression: for binary outcome variables, use stat regression, logistic regression. Quality control and process improvement with Minitab. Minitab is a powerful tool for quality control, QC, and process improvement. Here's how you can leverage it. Quality control. Control charts. Use Minitab's control charts to monitor process performance over time. These charts help you identify trends, shifts, or out of control conditions. X bar and R charts, useful for tracking the average and range of subgroups. P charts, for monitoring proportions in attribute data. Capability analysis, assess how well a process meets specifications by calculating capability indices like CP, CPK, PP, and PPK. Process Capability Six-Pack provides a comprehensive view of capability and performance. Histograms and box plots visualize the distribution of your data to understand its spread and identify outliers or anomalies. Process improvement. Regression analysis: analyze relationships between variables to understand the impact of different factors on your process outcomes. Simple linear regression, for relationships between two variables. Multiple regression, for examining the influence of several variables. Design of experiments: do, plan, and analyze experiments to determine the effect of multiple factors on a process. Factorial designs: evaluate the impact of different factors and their interactions. Response surface methodology: optimize processes by exploring the relationships between factors and responses. Pareto analysis: identify the most significant factors contributing to a problem using Pareto charts, helping you focus on the most impactful issues. Root cause analysis: utilize tools like fishbone diagrams, Ishikawa, and 5 whys to systematically identify the root causes of process issues. Additional features: time series analysis: analyze data collected over time to forecast future trends and seasonality. Minitab Workspace: for advanced process improvement projects, it provides tools for creating and managing project workflows. Best practices: regular monitoring: continuously monitor process performance with control charts and capability analysis to ensure ongoing quality. Data-driven decisions: base process improvement decisions on data and statistical analysis to achieve measurable results. Training: ensure team members are well trained in Minitab's functionalities to maximize the tool's effectiveness in quality control and process improvement. ANOVA and hypothesis testing in Minitab. ANOVA, analysis of variance, and hypothesis testing are key statistical techniques used to analyze data and draw conclusions. Minitab, a popular statistical software, provides tools for performing both ANOVA and hypothesis testing. Here's a guide on how to use Minitab for these analyses. ANOVA in Minitab. One-way ANOVA. Purpose: to determine if there are significant differences between the means of three or more independent, unrelated groups. Steps: open Minitab and load your dataset. Navigate to Stat ANOVA One Way. In the One Way ANOVA dialog box, select your response variable, the variable whose means you want to compare. Select your factor variable, the categorical variable that divides your data into groups. Click OK to perform the analysis. Results interpretation. P-value. If the p-value is less than the significance level, usually 0.05, you reject the null hypothesis and conclude that there are significant differences between group means. F-value. A higher F-value indicates a greater degree of variability between groups relative to the variability within groups. Two-way ANOVA. Purpose: to examine the influence of two different categorical independent variables on one continuous dependent variable and to understand if there is an interaction between the two independent variables. Steps: navigate to Stat ANOVA Two-way. In the Two-way ANOVA dialog box, select your response variable. Select your two factors. Specify if you want to include interactions, if you suspect that the effect of one factor might depend on the level of the other factor. Click OK. Results interpretation. Main effects. Assess the effect of each factor individually. Interaction effects. Assess if there is an interaction between the factors. P-value. Similar to one-way ANOVA, a p-value less than 0.05 suggests significant effects. Hypothesis testing in Minitab. 1. T-test. Purpose: to determine if there is a significant difference between the means of two groups. Types. 1. Sample t-test. Tests if the mean of a single sample differs from a known value. 2. Sample t-test. Tests if the means of two independent samples differ. Paired t-test. Tests if the means of two related groups differ. Graphical analysis and data visualization in Minitab. Minitab offers several powerful tools for graphical analysis and data visualization. Here's a look at some of the key features and how you can use them. 1. Basic charts. Histograms, useful for displaying the distribution of a single variable. You can see how data is spread out across different ranges. Box plots show the distribution of data based on quartiles. Useful for identifying outliers and understanding data variability. Bar charts display categorical data and compare the frequency or proportion of different categories. Pie charts illustrate the proportions of categorical data as slices of a pie. 2. Scatter plots. Simple scatter plots show the relationship between two continuous variables. Useful for detecting trends, correlations, and potential outliers. Bubble charts, an extension of scatter plots where an additional variable is represented by the size of the bubbles. 3. Time series plots. Line graphs track changes over time. Ideal for visualizing trends and seasonal variations in time-dependent data. 4. Control charts. X-bar and R charts monitor process variation and control limits. Useful for quality control and understanding process stability. P charts and NP charts used for analyzing the proportion of defectives in a sample. 5. Matrix plots. Scatterplot matrix displays scatter plots for multiple pairs of variables. Useful for exploring relationships between several variables simultaneously. 6. Pareto charts. Pareto analysis highlights the most important factors in a dataset. Useful for identifying the most significant issues or causes in a process. 7. Interactive graphs. Interactive plots allow you to explore data points interactively. Useful for detailed analysis and presentation. 8. Data distribution plots. Probability plots compare data distribution against theoretical distributions to assess goodness of fit. 9. Customization and formatting. Minitab allows for extensive customization of charts. You can adjust colors, labels, and scales to better convey the data's message. Tips for effective data visualization in Minitab. Choose the right chart, select the chart that best represents your data and analysis objectives. Customize for clarity, modify charts to enhance readability, including labeling axes and adding titles. Use interactive features, explore interactive charts for in-depth analysis and insights. Why choose ProExcellency for Minitab online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Minitab online training can offer several advantages. Expert instructors. ProExcellency often features instructors with significant experience and expertise in Minitab and data analysis. Their practical knowledge can help you understand complex concepts more effectively. Comprehensive curriculum. Their courses typically cover a wide range of Minitab functionalities, from basic to advanced techniques, ensuring that you gain a thorough understanding of the software. Interactive learning. ProExcellency often includes interactive elements such as hands-on exercises, case studies, and real-world examples, which can enhance your learning experience. Flexibility. Online training provides the flexibility to learn at your own pace and schedule, which can be particularly beneficial if you have a busy or unpredictable timetable. Certification preparation. If you're aiming to get certified in Minitab, ProExcellency's training programs might be tailored to help you prepare for certification exams. Support and resources. They typically offer additional resources such as forums, support from instructors, and access to learning materials that can aid in your understanding and application of Minitab. Reputation. ProExcellency may have a strong reputation for delivering quality training and positive feedback from past students, which can provide confidence in their program's effectiveness. Cost effectiveness. Online training from ProExcellency can be a more affordable option compared to in-person training, especially considering the added benefit of flexibility. Thank you.